Hello, amazing people, and welcome. Are you excited to start your journey into the world of JavaScript? I know I am. But before we can create all those cool, interactive websites and web applications, we need a special place to write our code. Think of it like a super smart notebook designed just for developers. This notebook is called a code editor. A code editor is our primary tool. It's where we'll type our instructions for the computer, organize our projects, and basically bring our ideas to life. There are many code editors out there, but the one we're going to use and the one I highly recommend for everyone from beginners to pros is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. Why VS Code? Well, it's incredibly popular, packed with features that make coding easier and more fun. It's completely free and it works on all major operating systems Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's like a Swiss Army knife for coders. So let's get it set up. First things first, we need to download and install it. It's pretty straightforward process. Let me walk you through the general steps. Grab your computer and let's do this together. Alright, open your favorite web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the search bar, type download VS Code. You should see a link that says something like download Visual Studio Code, and it will likely be from code.visualstudiocode.com. That's the official one. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be on the VS Code download page. It's usually pretty good at detecting your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. You'll see different download buttons. Click the one that's right for your system. Once the download's complete, you'll need to run the installer. If you're on Windows, find the download.exe file, usually in your downloads folder, and double click it. You'll likely see a license agreement. Make sure to accept it to continue. Then you'll click Next a few times. The default options are usually perfect for most users. One option you might want to ensure is checked is Add to Path, as this can be helpful later, but if you miss it, don't worry too much for now. Finally, click Install. It will do its thing. When it's done, click Finish. You might have an option to launch VS Code right away. If you're on a Mac, the downloaded file will probably be a zip file, which might automatically unzip or you might need to double click it. This will give you the Visual Studio Code application. Drag the Visual Studio Code application icon into your Applications folder. That's pretty much it. Okay, take a moment now to get VS Code installed if you haven't already. Pause the video, complete the installation, then come right back. I'll be here. Welcome back. Hopefully, you now have VS Code installed and ready to go. When you open it for the first time, it might look a bit empty or show welcome message. Don't worry about the colors or initial layout. We can tweak things as we go. Now let's adjust a couple of settings to make our coding lives a bit smoother. To find the settings, you can usually look for a gear icon, often in the bottom left corner, and then click on Settings. Alternatively, you can go to File in the top menu, then Preferences, and then Settings. You'll see a search bar at the top of the Settings page. This is super useful. The first setting we'll change is for autosave. In the search bar, type autosave. You should see an option called Files Autosave. By default, it might be off, We want to change this. Click drop down menu next to it. You'll see a few options like after delay, unfocus change, and on window change. I recommend selecting unfocus change. What does unfocused change mean? It means that whenever you click out of VS Code or switch to a different file within VS Code, your current file will automatically be saved. This is fantastic because you won't have to remember to press Ctrl S or Command S all the time. It helps prevent losing your work. Great! One more essential setting for now. This one is called Format Unsave. Clear the search bar and now type Format Unsave. You should see an option probably called Editor Format Unsave. There will be a little checkbox next to it. Go ahead and check that box to enable it. What this does is automatically clean up the formatting of your code every time you save the file. It helps keep your code neat, tidy, and consistent, which is really important for readability. We'll install a specific formatter tool later that will define how the code is beautified. But for now, just enabling this setting is perfect. Excellent. Those are the main settings we need to worry about for now. VS Code is super customizable, but these two will give us a great starting experience. One last thing before we wrap up this setup phase, we'll be writing JavaScript that runs in a web browser. While most modern browsers will work, I highly recommend using Google Chrome for development. It has fantastic developer tools that will find very helpful later on. So if you don't have Google Chrome installed already, please take a moment to download and install it on your computer. Just search for download Google Chrome and follow the instructions on their official website. And that's it. We've chosen our code editor, VS Code, installed it, and tweaked a couple of important settings. We also have our testing browser, Google Chrome, ready. You're now officially geared up to start coding. Give yourself a pat on the back. Setting up your tools is a crucial first step. In our next session, we'll jump right into writing our very first lines of JavaScript. It's going to be a lot of fun. See you there.